So tell me, what was the purpose of this conference today?
So I wanted to have the opportunity to kind of just see themselves in a college. I remember when I was in New York, I was walking around New York University, you know, the park over there, and I was like, oh my God, this is so cool, if only I could be here. And the thing is, like a year later I was there. But it was like, it took me being there and walking around like feeling like this is for me. And I want to offer my kids, the students that I teach, the opportunity to dream big, you know, because everything's possible here. So that's the idea for the conference.
What's your most favorite memory attending the conference?
The little workshops, because I feel like it's a good way to connect with new people from other schools.
One moment in particular when someone said they could not expect to have the same life that some of their friends had, that more was going to be asked of them and sacrifices would have to be made. That was a very beautiful and moving moment for me because I appreciated the honesty, and I think the kids appreciated the honesty.
¿Qué privilegios tenemos? Porque eso me demostró cuánto privilegio yo tengo y eso me dio un poco más de confianza en mí.
What's one thing you learned when attending the conference?
One thing I learned is that I should not be so close-minded to my characteristics, and that I should be more open about who I am and my identity and accept it and use it to my advantage in life.
You shouldn't be afraid of what you are, and that you have like many options of what you want to do and like what you want to be in life, and that everyone can like seem the similar, but they have like different dreams and like opportunities that they want to go for.
Attending the conference, have you learned anything when networking with others that you'll take away?
I'll definitely take away the fact that like having a little connection with people can lead to like bigger connection in the future.
To never stop, you know, to never stop pursuing your dreams, to always go, you know, go big, go home, nothing can stop you, no matter what ethnic race you're in, no matter what gender, to always do what you desire.
This conference is to reach young Latino students and open their hearts and minds up to their own potential, and to recognize that there's ways to achieve their dreams and hopes.